The next thing that we can really easily fix is going to be this hole in the middle. We always want to show just 3 rows of movies, and we don't need these 2. So let's go ahead and fix that. That's going to be in the movies component right here, and we can scroll down. In here, we pass our movies to our movie list. But remember, we already implemented something, and that something was a number of movies. So we can also right here pass our number of movies. Right away, we can set that to be something like 18. Let's go ahead and save it and check it out. And as soon as we do that, the issue is fixed. But take a look at this. If we open the inspect element and check it out right now, you can see that on medium-sized devices, there are 3 movies per row. So in this case, that's also fine. If we go to something like 2 movies per row, that part is also fine. But if we go on larger devices, for example, let's try going to something even larger, like a big laptop. Now there are 4 movies per row, and you can see there is still a hole in the middle. So we have to fix that on all different screen sizes. Let me show you how. What we can do is this special use media query hook from Material UI. We can use it like this. Let's say const large is equal to use media query, and then inside of there, we get a callback function that has the theme as the first and only parameter. Then we can do theme dot breakpoints dot only lg. So what we're doing right now is we are checking if we are on large devices or if we're not on large devices. Now that we know are we on a large device or not, we can simply create a new variable called const number of movies. And if we are on a large device, we can simply show something like 16 movies. Else we can show 18. Let's go ahead and save that. And right here, we're simply going to paste the number of movies inside of number of movies prop. Let's test it out. And on big laptop screens, that's good. Can we get to 4K? Not here. Let's test the smaller laptops with 3 movies per row. That also works. Then we go to tablet with 2. And finally, we can go to mobile with just 1. Of course, that's always going to work. Great. So in this short lecture, we've fixed that one issue. Let's try clicking next. That also works, and everything here seems to be doing great, even on mobile devices.